Hey everyone, it's Armen from ArmensCraftRoom getting ready to open up the recent $35 Gerda Steiner mystery box from February 2025. Alright, comes personalized. Great, we've got a sticker. Oh, cute. Washi. Oh wow, so many things in here. Okay, they did say $80 value. Alright, so go for it stamps. Enjoy the little things. Okay, so cute, a little mole. Got some corn and sweet potatoes. Congratulations. You're amazing. These are so cute. I love puns. Oh my gosh, adorable little bears with pie. Hey cutie pie. This is so sweet of you. Okay. Valentine's 2 peas in a pod. Alright. Bear with pumpkins for Thanksgiving. Oh, and a matching die for the More Than Just Pies, and they do come on magnets, so that's for this larger one. Alright, so we have a large stamp and die set, 2 more large stamp sets, 3 small stamp sets, a washi, and a sticker. I would say that was a total win for the price point. If you'd like to see the Picket Fence Studio March 2025 mystery box, subscribe to the channel, leaving notifications on. That video will come out soon.
Thank you so much for joining me today in this crafting endeavor. I hope to see you again in my craft room soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave notifications on so you can be notified when the next video comes out.